Hey bag lovers, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while here and I've also missed you guys too. So quickly I'll be taking us on a tutorial on this bag. It has a middle compartment with zip. It also has another zip pocket inside and a flap compartment on the outside. This tutorial is very easy as I'll be taking you through it step by step. As you know, Estee Lauder does not hide any idea. So if you're ready, come on, let's get started. So the material I'll be using first and foremost is Mako. This is the foreign Mako, not the ones with holes. The width is 14 inches and the length is 10.5. So for the front and the back, this is it for the front and the back. It will have the same measurement. Why the base? This is the base and the measurement is 14 inches long. As you can see, the same width with the back and the front, and the wideness is 5.5 inches. So now I'll be wrapping my Mako, everything I'll be wrapping it with my black leather. So here I'm applying gum. Apply gum generously both on the Mako and the leather, and when it gets dried you glue together. Now I'm placing my Mako on the leather, and I'll flip it to the other side to ensure that there's a neat gumming together. Can you see just the way I'm doing it here? I'm doing that to ensure a smooth surface for my bag. I've done that for both sides, for the front and the back. So after I'll apply gum on the top and the two sides. At the bottom here, I won't be applying gum. So I'll just be folding for the sides and the top. So now I've applied gum and I'm folding. So as I said before, the gum is just for the top of the front and back Mako and for the sides. So this is how I do my corners. This idea is very easy. Then chop the excess off and try to burn with my lighter. When I do that, it avoids the pointy the edge of the leather to show. So when I apply my fire, it just presses it down, but please try not to burn your leather. So this is the front. Try to do the same for the back.